Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and powering your device. That prevents wasted troubleshooting. Open Device Manager and verify a Bluetooth adapter is present. If missing, you'll need drivers. Next, power and unpair any previously connected device to avoid conflict because many devices auto-reconnect. Then, open Action Center or Settings Devices Bluetooth and other devices and toggle Bluetooth on. Once done, set your device to pairing mode so Windows can detect it. This makes the next. Now you pair the device. Click Add Bluetooth or Other Device and choose Bluetooth. You'll see a list. Select the correct name carefully to avoid pairing with neighbors. When Windows shows a PIN or passkey, compare it to the device display and accept on both ends. This prevents man-in-the-middle errors. If Windows requests drivers, install the recommended package. Drivers fix compatibility and audio routing. If pairing stalls, try remove and pair again or reboot. Those steps clear transient connection states. Finish by setting the device role in settings so audio, input, or transfers route correctly. This ensures apps use the new hardware. Make sure you select the Bluetooth device as output in sound settings and adjust volume or codec options if audio quality is poor. If something goes wrong, try toggling Bluetooth, reinstalling drivers from HP support, or running the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter to detect errors. Finally, keep firmware on peripherals updated. Outdated firmware often causes dropouts, and updating usually resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.